Here is how to back up WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. So let's get started. First open WhatsApp on your phone and then click on your profile picture that's on the top right. Over here, just scroll down and click on Chats and then scroll down and you'll find Chat Backup. Click on this. Once you're here, you first have to select the Google account you'll want to back up to. So if you click on this, you'll see all of your Google accounts. So just select the one you'd want to back up to. After that, you have to decide if you want to include videos in the backup. So if you want to do this, just enable this option. And here they've said that 3.2 GB of videos will get backed up. Then you can decide if you want to allow backup with your mobile data. So if you want to allow this, enable this option. And now the last step is to actually backup. So now if you're fine with this, just click on backup and you can see they'll first prepare the backup and then it will start. And you can see the backup is now taking place. There's one more setting you should know, and that's automatic backups. So if you click on this option, then here you can decide how often backups should automatically take place. So they have options like daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. So currently I've set it to this, but you can change it from here. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.